Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Twitter blue tick. First, understand that the blue checkmark now signifies an X Premium subscription, offering enhanced features. To qualify, your account must be active and have a confirmed phone number. Additionally, ensure your profile is complete with a display name and a profile picture. This ensures you meet the basic requirements before proceeding to subscription. Subscribing to X Premium is straightforward. You can initiate the process directly from the X application on your mobile device or by visiting the X website on your computer. Once logged in, locate the Premium option within the main menu. From there, you will be presented with different subscription plans, typically offering a choice between a monthly or an annual commitment. After selecting your plan, proceed to complete the payment process to activate your X Premium subscription. Once payment is confirmed, your account will undergo a brief review. Following this, the coveted blue checkmark will appear on your profile. Beyond the badge, you will gain access to exclusive features, including the ability to write longer posts and experience significantly fewer advertisements in your feed. With X Premium, you can edit posts after publishing, upload longer videos, and access a curated selection of top articles. Your replies and direct messages also receive prioritized ranking, increasing their visibility. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. This subscription truly enhances your experience, offering tools to better engage and express yourself on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.